Hi and welcome to Stewie Plays Elite Dangerous Odyssey. Today we'll be looking at the fastest way to gather all of the top grade 5 manufactured materials for ship engineering. First you will need a ship that ideally has 64 tons of cargo or more, a collector limpet controller, a decent jump range, and a fuel scoop. I will leave a link to a basic build in the description below. As of the time of recording this guide, this is still hands down the fastest method of maxing out all grade 5 manufactured materials. There are 10 grade 5 materials that will be split into two groups. The first 8 materials shown on screen now all come from signal sources that you see generated when flying about inside a system, but we will need them to be a specific kind called high grade emissions. And we need them to be spawned in relation to a faction's current economic state, as shown on the screen now. The way I locate the systems under the current faction state is with Inara, which I will link below. Once in Inara, go to Data, search Nearest, Star System, enter a system name in the field called Near Star System, and under Controlling Faction State, select the economic state that you need for the material you require and press Search. You will then be presented with a list of systems that match your needs. Once in system, you can either scan for the signal sources with the full spectrum scanner or drop into the local nav beacon and scan that for a system-wide scan in seconds. With that complete, and if a high-grade signal source is generated, we need to target that and fly to it. If none show up, then we need to pop the existing ones by dropping into them and jumping back out. This will remove them and allow room for more to spawn, and with luck, one will be a high grade. Take note of the information in the top right of the screen when the signal source is targeted. We need it to have a long duration and the correct faction state for the materials we desire. Once we have entered the signal source, fly in a bit, then come to a full stop, open the cargo bay and send out the limpets. Each instance will generate between 2 to 5 canisters of grade 5 materials and can even generate 2 to 5 canisters of grade 4 materials. Each component is in fact worth 3 when collected. Once there is nothing left to collect, exit the game directly to desktop and relaunch the game. Once you are back in, press boost and tap the jump key. This will place you in Super Cruise, with the instance still active and directly behind you, with repopulated materials waiting for you to drop back in and collect again. Repeat this process until you have maxed out on the material. With the 8 materials complete, we only need the last 2, biotech conductors and exquisite focus crystals. For this part, by far the best way is mission rewards. But we need somewhere to meet 2 conditions. We need a location that has a high chance of spawning the rewards we need, and somewhere that has a fast mission turnover rate. For this, Robigo Mines wins, with the fast turnaround of passenger missions and the rewards being 3 to 5 materials per mission. Robigo is perfect, and as a bonus, you'll also make a few million in the process. Be warned though, the trip there is about 450 light years from Sol, and the maximum landing pad size is medium, so if you do not have a fleet carrier, you'll need to fit out a Python with the best fuel scoop and jump drive, and then buy passenger cabins in the Ceos system at Babbage Gateway. Again, I will link a basic build in the description below. Once you are completely full on all of the 10 grade 5 materials, you can then trade down at a material trader like we did in the raw material video. We can find the trader by using Inara and selecting Data, Search Nearest, Stations, enter your system name in the Near Star System field, then down in the Station Service box, select Material Trader. On the generated list, select a station that has manufactured next to it and make your way there. Once docked, navigate to Services and the Material Trader. Then trade down from grade 5 in each field to fill up all or as much of the grade 1 through 4 materials as you require. I would strongly advise against cross-trading outside of a single field due to the poor conversion rate it will offer you. With all that done, I hope you find this guide helpful and feel free to check out my other material guides. Good luck with your engineering projects, and I will see you all soon. Goodbye.